You've probably seen this before. You change your car battery, or maybe the power gets disconnected, and suddenly your radio is useless, demanding a code. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? Why does your car radio think it's being stolen? Well, it all goes back to the car crime wave of the 80s and 90s. Car stereos were a prime target for thieves. In response, manufacturers introduced a simple but effective anti-theft feature, a security code. The idea was simple. If the radio's power was ever fully disconnected from the car's battery, the unit would assume it had been stolen and lock itself down. To unlock it, you needed a unique code, originally printed on a card that came with the car. Which was a great idea until you lost that little card or bought a used car. For years, the only solution was a long, frustrating, and often expensive trip back to the dealership. But what if you could bypass all that? What if you could get that code yourself in about a minute? It turns out you can. All you need is the radio's unique serial number, which you can get by removing the unit.
Then you just head over to the solution at radiocodeford.com.
Enter the serial, get the code instantly, and just like that, your radio is unlocked. So the next time your radio locks up, you'll know exactly why it happened, and you'll know the simple, smart way to fix it.